Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix update Kb5010474 not installing problem in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go services, then search here Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update. Select and right click. Click on Properties. Select automatic in startup type, then click on start, click on apply and click on OK. Open Windows 11 setting, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooter, then click on run Windows update. After complete the Windows update, close this window, open command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes, gp update space /force, then hit enter, then close this window, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.